Hello everybody, today we're going to see the unboxing of Abbott H.pylori Antibody Test Kit. I can show you that. You can see it's Abbott Bioline H.pylori. This is basically an antibody test kit. This is a 30 test kit pack. On the other side you can see that and with a normal room temperature storage, and it's IVD certified product. And you can see the reference part number is 04FK10. So the part looks like, so the box looks like. I'll show you the other side. It says Hpylori antibody test kit. It is from Abbott Diagnostic Korea. Manufactured Abbott Diagnostic in Korea. The other side. Okay, here you can see it says rapid immunochromatographic test for the detection of antibodies to Helicobacter pylori in human serum or plasma. This is the basic function of this kit. This is basically the Abbott Bioline H.pylori Antibody Detection Test Kit. You can see the key contents inside are 30 test devices and an assay diluent and one AFU brochure. That is written in other languages also. Let me show you the other side. You can see the other side. You can see here you got the diluent number, reference number, the lot number, and also the part number is also written in the bottom. And on a standard you can see it is a 2 years of expiry period. You can see that. Okay, this is how the total box looks like. This is basically the Abbott Bioline H.pylori Antibody Detection Kit. I'm just unboxing this for you. This is how the box looks like. You can see inside the box there is one IFU brochure. Just open this for you. So folded. You can see this here. You can see the reference part number. Okay. You can see this here. It's quite a lengthy paper. The IFU brochures. You can see this here. You can see what it looks like. On a standard, if you look at this, you can see here it says Abbott H.pylori antibodies to H.pylori test. You can see here it talks about the test. It talks about how you prepare the samples and how to interpret your test procedure, how to do the test and interpretation. We have the complete details of that. How the test to be conducted is also here. The test procedure you can see. It works with the plasma or serum. How to interpret the results is also interpretation of this also here. So this is a complete IFU brochure that gives you complete guidelines and directions for conducting this test. This is a immunochromatographic test for the detection of antibodies in H.pylori antibodies in plasma and serum. Yeah, let me get inside, and further inside you can see there is one buffer bottle. Yeah, here you can see the buffer bottle. It says H.pylori 4 ml per vial. And then you get one vial here. That's how it looks like. This is certified, and you get the lot number and also the expiry period. Okay. If you go further inside, this is the 30 test kit box. You have 30 test cassettes. You can see the test cassettes are here. I'm going to pull 2 cassettes for you. So there are 2 test cassettes here. You can see this here, Abbott Bioline Rapid Diagnostic Test. This is manufactured in Korea. You can see the CIV certified. And the other side of the pouch, you can see it says Bioline H.pylori. You get the lot number, you get the manufacturing date and expiry date. This is how the total kit looks like. So just to quickly summarize here, today we are seeing the unboxing of Hpylori antibody test kit. This is Abbott Bioline H.pylori Antibody test kit, and this is your you can see the reference part number 04FK10. This is the reference part number. So quickly summarize here, today we are seeing the unboxing of Abbott Bioline H.pylori Antibody test kit. This is a 30 test kit box. In each test kit box you get one IFU brochure, one diluent buffer and 30 test cassettes. This is how the total test kits looks like. Thank you.